I'm Lais Ribeiro and I'm a rookie of Sports Illustrated this year and I'm very excited.
Beautiful, Lais. Look away right there. Gorgeous.
We're here in Sumba, Indonesia, like across the world. This is amazing. Not a better place to be. So I got to shoot in the best location.
Very happy to be here, especially in this amazing location. Very excited.
We went to the waterfalls and it wasn't that easy to get here. But wow, this place is worth it. The location was beautiful but was really challenging.
We're gonna stay like that. You're pretty good. Can you swim, like with your head up? Yeah.
Go Lais!
Had to like swim a little bit to cross to this rock. Couldn't hear anything. So when I got right, everybody was screaming. So that's how I knew that it was right. The picture seems unbelievable.
Amazing. Very challenged, but really good.
Beautiful. Lais, you look spectacular. Wow, beautiful.
As the newest Sports Illustrated model, I feel very proud of myself because it's not easy to get in here. And I was really happy to finally get into the family and had no idea how amazing like the locations, the crew, unbelievable.
Sumba. So Lais, look away right there.
It's a wrap for Sumba!
Hi YouTube, I'm Kate Upton, and if you like what you see in these videos, make sure you subscribe.